Hello everyone, this is Jayanta Guha from JayantaGuhaPhotography.com. I am doing wildlife photography for the last couple of years, but this is the first time I am revealing myself in front of the camera while unboxing the newly launched Sony A7R5. I am going to unbox the Sony A7R5, but this time I am not going to tell you all specification of this camera or in-depth details of this because I have not used this camera yet. I will explore this camera in my upcoming tour in Kaziranga National Park end of this month, and after that I will create another video of this Sony A7R5 and I will share all the details with you. As per the review available on the internet and provided by Sony and all other creators, this is the best camera at this price range at this moment. Let's see what else in the box along with the camera. Well, so at the very first thing you will get HDMI mic clamp. The same comes with Sony A1. Let's put that aside. Here are the manual and warranty card and some of the not so important advices. Here is a camera strap which I don't use, and this is our Alpha 7R5. It's a high-end body and weather sealed. There are dedicated button for clicking images, capturing video, and a SNQ button for in-camera slow-mo footage. And this flip screen rotating system will help you to capturing movies and low angle shot. So now I am going to talk about some of the key features of Sony A7R5. So the first point is megapixel. Sony A7R5 is a 61 megapixel camera. So this is the very good camera for them who love to print their images, because you need a high megapixel camera to print your images and get the highest quality. But one thing to remember here, that when you are taking images as uncompressed RAW, the file size will be 130 MB. That means you need to spend more money on your storage. And another thing is, we have to control our shooting mode. Like while we are in field, we click high continuous and try to click for all the images every time. Even the subject is sitting, they're doing nothing and just looking at us. So there's the thing we need to control while shooting a subject. Another important feature of Sony A7R5 is the AI processing unit or AI autofocus technique. We heard about the bird eye autofocus, the animal eye autofocus, human eye autofocus, subject tracking, everything. But probably this is the very first time Sony introduced the human body movement autofocus, that's called AI processing unit. So here the AI will detect the human body movement even if the subject is not looking at your camera. And the eye autofocus of this camera is 60% better than previously launched products. So now when my camera can control the autofocus, I can focus on only in composition and framing. That's all what I wanted, and that's why I got this body A7R5. Another key feature of the Sony A7R5 is flip screen rotating system. By using this flip screen rotating system, I can get low angle from my gypsy and I can get the eye level shot of the mammals.